Okay, students, I welcome you all in today's biology class. As we all know that we are studying chapter microbes in human welfare, very easy chapter. In this chapter, so far we had studied that how your bacteria, how your microbes are useful in your household items like your curd, cheese, toddy. Okay, and today we will study that how they are useful in industry. So I'm gonna deal with that today. Microbes in industrial products. Okay, first of all, you must know that what are different type of industrial products that require the use of microbes. In simple terms, I will just tell you certain beverages are there, like your alcohol, okay, then your antibiotics, and then certain chemicals are there. These three things are there which are produced by microbes as a industrial product. Now the question arises that what is the use of preparing the things in industrial? Dear student, for commercialization, okay. If I want to produce 1, 2, 3, okay, or one bowl of curd, two bowl of curd, that I can prepare at my home. But if I want to do commercialization, if I want to sell the things, then I want to do the same thing with the help of microbes in industrial area, okay, on a large scale by taking fermenter, okay. These fermenters are large bowl, I can say, okay, large bowl where we are providing all the necessary and optimum conditions for the growth of the microbes so that they can grow and can produce different type of products such as your beverages, antibiotics, and different type of chemicals. Okay, after that, you might have heard about wheat beer or grape wine or barley wine, okay. So these are the things. Then sometimes we feel, yeah, it is made up of cereal only, that there is no harm in taking such products. But student, what happen, no, with the here what we do, we crush these things like cereal or your wheat or your grape, and during that crushing we use various yeast, okay, and the name of that yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This I have told you earlier also. Baker yeast and brewer yeast are same. These both yeast, they are used to prepare, okay, that beverages as well as your dough of siddu or idli dosa, all these things, okay. So that is why it is known as brewer as well as baker yeast, because it is used in bakery as well as in brewing industry. What is brew industry? Where alcohol is produced. Now the question arises, ma'am, how alcohol produced? क्या होता है, your cereals contain glucose, ठीक है, your grape contain glucose, your apple contain glucose. जहां पर भी ग्लूकोज होता है ना, that is eaten up by your yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, ठीक है. Suppose I'm yeast, okay, and here there are glucose, okay, and I'm eating that, I'm eating, okay, and during that ingestion I am producing something, and that production is अल्कोहल एज वेल एज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. जैसे हम खाना खाते हैं तो क्या होता है, अनवांटेड थिंग्स इट कम आउट. यस, सिमिलरली व्हेन ईस्ट इज ईटिंग ग्लूकोज, unwanted things. What are unwanted things? Alcohol and carbon dioxide, and that alcohol and carbon dioxide are used by human beings for their own benefit. Understood? ठीक है, जो शराब होती है वो ऐसे प्रोड्यूस होती है, ठीक है, उसमें बस ईस्ट डालेंगे, ऑप्टिमम कंडीशंस देंगे. Why there is need to provide optimum conditions? So that there would be a reproduction of yeast, okay. More and more yeast would be there, more and more production of alcohol would be there. होता क्या है, if I talk about natural production of alcohol, yeast जो होते हैं ना, maximum they can produce 15% of alcohol, ठीक है. 15%. Why? Because if it will produce more than 15% of alcohol, no, it will lead to the death of yeast itself. ठीक है, yeast ने ही आपके अल्कोहल को प्रोड्यूस किया, लेकिन if the concentration of alcohol is more than 15%, ईस्ट विल गेट अफेक्टेड एंड इट विल डाई. अगर ईस्ट मर गए तो क्या होगे? देयर वुड नॉट बी नो मोर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल. आ रही बात समझ? नेचुरल प्रोसेस में ईस्ट कैन प्रोड्यूस ओनली 8 to 15% ऑफ अल्कोहल. ठीक है, आर्टिफिशियली तो इट कैन प्रोड्यूस एनीथिंग बट नेचुरली. ठीक है, बट यू माइट हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड कि ऐसा नहीं होता है कि एवरी beer bottle or every wine bottle have same concentration of alcohol. अब भाई कई पिक्कड़ होते हैं, okay, they need more alcohol in their, okay, that drink. So what they do, student, on that basis there are two type of I can say alcohol, or there are two type of beverages which are produced by different processes. ठीक है, अब कईयों को चाहिए more this alcohol in their you might have heard this sentence कि यार मुझे तो चढ़ती नहीं है. ठीक है, yes or no? Some people are there in marriages, in function, they says कि एक दो पैक से तो मेरा कुछ नहीं होता है, I want 5-6 packs. So what does that mean? That mean कि their body is not that much habitual to take only 2 packs. ठीक है, alcohol in that 2 packs is very low as comparison to 5-6 packs. Understood? So they take different type of beverages. That beverage is wine and beer. ठीक है, wine and beer, they contain less concentration of alcohol, but if they need more concentration of alcohol, they go for distilled beverage. Okay, and what are the example of distilled beverages? Whiskey, brandy, rum, gin, arrack. ठीक है, तो जिनको उनकी बेवरेज में, उनको अपने ड्रिंक में ज्यादा अल्कोहल चाहिए, दे कैन गो फॉर विस्की, ब्रांडी, रम. एंड दोज हु नीड नॉट दैट मच अल्कोहल, ठीक है, कईयों को थोड़ी सी अल्कोहल करके ही नशा चढ़ता है. ओके, एंड सम दे नीड मोर अमाउंट ऑफ अल्कोहल टू हैव दैट. अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, so how to remember it, ma'am? So student, here see, there was one bear. ठीक है, एक भालू था, उसे वाइन पीनी थी. ठीक है, तो भालू है, he can't go for distillation purpose, so he will drink simply wine that do not contain that much alcohol. So now we came to know that the name of the beverages that are produced without distillation, examples are wine and beer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, एक भालू था,
Ma'am.
वो जंगल में रहता था, उसे ड्रिंक करने की आई, उसे he has to drink wine only. Why? Because he is in jungle, he can't go to city for its distillation purpose, so he has to go for wine only. I guess it's clear to all. After that, second product is antibiotic. अभी एंटीबायोटिक होता क्या है? Anyone know about antibiotics?
Ma'am, which is against diseases.
Okay, okay. RM is saying, ma'am, something which we take against diseases. लेकिन if I divide this term, no, it has different meaning. Anti means against, bio means life. ठीक है, तो कहीं ना कहीं if I'm eating it, it can affect my life, no. लेकिन here the meaning of antibiotic means it is against the life of microbes and not us. ठीक है, anti against life. If I will take in that way, so one should not have it because it is against my life. But here those antibiotics are against bacteria, against harmful pathogen life and not us. Why? Because we don't have that optimum condition which bacteria have. Okay, every body have different optimum conditions. Getting my point, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये क्या है? ये एक ऐसा केमिकल होता है, those are produced by microbes. I am a microbe, okay, I am a bacteria, I am a fungus, okay, I am producing some chemical that is retarding the growth of some harmful pathogens. ठीक है, कुछ अच्छे माइक्रोब्स होते हैं. I am a good microbe, okay, I am secreting some chemical substances and the name of those chemical substances are antibiotics. ठीक है, those antibiotics will retard the growth of the pathogen. Okay, why? Because they are getting the suitable condition in the body of those pathogen. If you remember BT cotton, okay, the genes of that Bacillus thuringiensis do not affect the plant, but affect that pathogen. Remember? Similarly, here also, okay, I am a microbe, that chemical is not affecting me because those conditions are not suitable in my body, but it is affecting the pathogens which is around it. Understood, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, okay, see here it is clearly given. Okay, so now, ma'am, antibiotics we are taking, but for what purpose? Okay, student, we are getting diseases every now and then, such as plague, whooping cough, diphtheria, leprosy. So to treat these we need some antibiotics. Okay, and remember, as a bio student, that generally we take antibiotics अगेंस्ट बैक्टीरियल डिजीज. अगर हमें कोई डिजीज बैक्टीरिया की वजह से हुआ होता है, टेक एंटीबायोटिक्स इन दैट केस ओनली. ठीक है, फंगस की वजह से कोई डिजीज हो चुका है या वायरस की वजह से हुआ है, okay, in that cases antibiotic do not help. Okay, it is specifically for your bacteria. Being a bio student, you must know. Okay, now the question arises, ma'am, just tell me the name of certain antibiotics. Okay, so without taking much time here, I want to tell you penicillin, student. You might have heard the name of penicillin in your 8th standard also. Okay, I taught 8th class also once upon a time when I was here in my first year. Okay, so I remember penicillin is there in 8th class book. So penicillin is the first antibiotics which was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Never forget this name. Okay, Alexander Fleming. And the discovery of penicillin is a boon to human welfare. ठीक है, अगर penicillin ना हो तो human can die due to simple diseases only. Okay, due to simple bacteria. Suppose I'm eating something and bacteria might have entered into my body, I'll die. Okay, ठीक है, but the discovery of penicillin is awesome. Okay, so ma'am, how it produced, who is responsible for this? So here I want to tell you, students, there was not any plan of Alexander Fleming to produce penicillin. Okay, actually he was a scientist and he was working on a bacteria known as Staphylococci. ठीक है, वो एक बैक्टीरिया के ऊपर काम कर रहे थे and the name of that bacteria is Staphylococci. ठीक है, after that what happened? Then he was doing experiment and scientists, okay, they have to sacrifice their sleep, they have to sacrifice their family, okay, in order to perform any experiment. Okay, so late at night, okay, he was feeling sleepy, he did his experiment but he failed with his result. Okay, so he kept those I can say Petri plates. What are Petri plates? Student, you might have seen in chemistry lab. Okay, like glass one bowl likes. Okay, there we used to, if you will keep biotechnology or microbiology, okay, after your +2 you will play with bacteria, student. Okay, and it's really very good to play with bacteria. Okay, so what he did, he was doing experiment with Staphylococci and he felt bored and upset ki, oh, my result is not coming. So in that upset mode, he didn't wash his Petri plates. Okay, and he kept those in a sink only. Early in the morning, he came to his lab and he found that there is certain fungus on those Petri plate. ठीक है, हम भी अगर अपना टिफिन 1-2 दिन नहीं धोएंगे तो क्या होता है बच्चों, उसमें फंगस आती है ना? Yes or no? Similarly, he didn't wash that Petri plate for a night and early in the morning he saw that certain fungus were there. It made him surprised कि how it is possible. And the thing which he observed कि जहां फंगस थी ना, वहां पर वो बैक्टीरिया ग्रो नहीं कर रहा था. ठीक है, तो ये देख के उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि अच्छा, जहां ये फंगस है वहां ये बैक्टीरिया नहीं है. तो क्या मतलब, this bacteria is frightened of that fungus. How? Because that fungus is secreting certain chemicals and that chemical is your antibiotic and the name of that antibiotic is your penicillin, and the name of that fungus is Penicillium notatum. Understanding, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and yeah, here it is very important for your competitive point of view. If we have done some discovery by chance, ठीक है, वो हमारे plan में नहीं थी, but it happened that there is particular name for that discovery, and the name of that discovery is serendipity. SERENDIPITY. Okay, serendipity. डिस्कवरी बाय चांस. उसके लिए कोई प्लान नहीं किया था अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग ने कि जी मुझे तो एंटीबायोटिक बनानी है. नो, he was just working over a bacteria named Staphylococci. So what are the question can be formed? Okay, what is the name of fungus? Which antibiotic secreted by fungus? Who worked over this? And on which bacteria Alexander Fleming was working? Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, student, here I can't give whole credit to only Alexander Fleming. There were two more scientists, that is Ernst Chain and Howard Florey. Okay, they realized the full potential of antibiotic. By Alexander Fleming ने मतलब कि ना Miss God has given him gift, क्योंकि उसके प्लान में तो कुछ नहीं था, so he was not that much कि भाई excited about his experiment. लेकिन Ernst Chain और फ्लोरे वो बहुत एक्साइटेड थे कि भाई ऐसी भी चीज हो सकती है. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, they have used Ernst Chain and Florey. Okay, उन्होंने ये एंटीबायोटिक they have used to treat the army soldiers in World War II. World War II में जो हमारे soldiers अफेक्ट हो रहे थे, ठीक है, उन्हें कोई मतलब कुछ गोली लग रही थी या मतलब उन्हें कुछ अफेक्ट हो रहे थे, तो उन्होंने उन सोल्जर्स को क्या दिया, दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड देम दिस एंटीबायोटिक, पेनिसिलिन दी, और पेनिसिलिन के देते ही वो क्या होने लगे, ठीक होने लगे. तो इट वाज अ ग्रेट डिस्कवरी. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई दे वर अवॉर्डेड नोबेल प्राइज इन द ईयर 1945 मेडिसिन के लिए. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Student, last is beside this various chemicals are also produced, ठीक है, and the name of these chemicals are these: citric acid, acetic acid, butyric acid, and lactic acid. What type of question comes? ठीक है, they will ask you citric acid is produced by Aspergillus niger, acetic acid this, Clostridium this, ये ठीक है. तो अब हमने इसे लर्न कैसे करने? अदर either use your brain or go to Google Devta and type there how to learn various chemical produced by microbe class 12, something like that. Okay, they will give you any trick to learn these. Clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll search and I'll send to you. Okay, okay. So here there is no need to make you understand. These are the name of the microbe. It can be fungus, it can be bacteria, and they produce different type of chemical, and these chemicals are taken up by human beings. Okay, understood, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is your alcohol. Okay, this is I have told you that one yeast is used in producing alcohol, and the name of that yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Remember its spelling. Okay, उससे alcohol produce होता है. After that there is enzyme. ठीक है, अब lipase होता है. Lipase एक ऐसा enzyme है that is found in detergent. Okay, how it is possible that that I am inserting my dirty cloth in detergent water and it is coming up after cleaning? How? Because that detergent contain lipases. ये enzyme होता है that help in removing oily stains from the cloth. Beside this, pectinase and protease, these are also the enzymes. The function of these enzymes is to clarify the bottle juice. Okay, whenever we are preparing any bottle juice, that bottle juice can contain certain fiber. ठीक है, तो उस fiber को ठीक करने के लिए, clear करने के लिए we use pectinase and protease. Last, streptokinase. Okay, it is used to treat clot buster. अगर हमारी artery में कई बार खून जमने लग पड़ता है, तो और उससे क्या होगा, हार्ट अटैक। ठीक है, तो डॉक्टर क्या क्या करते हैं, डॉक्टर हमें स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेस देंगे ताकि जो हमारी आर्टरीज में जो क्लॉटिंग हो रही है वो फट जाए और हमारा ब्लड इजिली हमारे हार्ट तक जाए। ठीक है, अगर क्लॉट बस्टर हो गया हमारे, अगर क्लॉटिंग हो गई हमारी आर्टरीज में ना, तो क्या होगा, ब्लड ही नहीं जाएगा तो हार्ट अटैक हो जाएगा। ओके, सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंजाइम दैट इज गिवन बाय डॉक्टर टू दोज पेशेंट्स who have this problem of myocardial infection. Next is cyclosporin A. ठीक है, ये भी एक केमिकल है that is produced by your fungus and the name of that fungus is Trichoderma polysperma. ये किसके लिए यूज होता है, अगर मैंने किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग का कोई ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांट करना है तो मैं उस पेशेंट को क्या दूंगी, साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए दूंगी, ताकि उसका जो इम्यून सिस्टम है वो सप्रेस हो जाए और वो एंटीबायोटिक प्रोड्यूस, एंटीबॉडीज प्रोड्यूस ना करे। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
लास्ट
Yes, ma'am.
स्टूडेंट स्टैटिन। ठीक है ना, ये भी एक मेडिसिन है जो कि आपके ईस्ट से प्रोड्यूस होती है। द नेम ऑफ दैट ईस्ट इज मोनास्कस परप्यूरिस। ठीक है, what is this, you might have heard our elder says उनका कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल बढ़ गया है, तो उस कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल को कम करने के लिए डॉक्टर प्रोवाइड स्टैटिन। ठीक है, it will inhibit those enzyme which is responsible for forming cholesterol। ठीक है, जब हम इस मेडिसिन को खाएंगे तो जो हमारे ब्लड में कुछ ऐसे एंजाइम होते हैं जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल को फॉर्म करते हैं वो रुक जाएंगे, वो फॉर्म नहीं होंगे, तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल भी फॉर्म नहीं होगा। तो यहाँ से आपके खत्म हो गए ये। नाउ आई विल सेंड यू वन वीडियो, जस्ट राइट दैट थिंग, ओके, एंड इट विल बी क्लियर टू ऑल।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question to any student?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is very, very important for your competitive point of view and for your MCQ type of question. Okay, they don't ask in long answer. Okay, they will ask in a 1 marks question, like cyclosporin A is produced by fungus. The name of that fungus, this. So in that way, okay, I'll search it and I'll send you, and write that now only. Okay, have lunch first and then do it. Thank you for attending my class. Let me see attendance part. Okay, 6 students are there. Chalo, it's okay. I'll try to drop this in YouTube if it is possible. Okay, thank you so much student for coming here and spending your time with me. Okay, thank you.